Top 5 Best Hot Air Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer 10L Black. Crispy fries, golden rotisserie chicken, and perfectly dehydrated apple chips, all from one sleek machine. Meet the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus, the kitchen powerhouse that replaces 6 appliances. Ideal for busy families, meal preppers, and health-conscious home chefs, this XL10L Marvel delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal oil. Its 17 intuitive touchscreen presets let you fry, roast, bake, or dehydrate with a tap, no guesswork. Unlike bulky countertop ovens, it preheats fast and cooks evenly, thanks to advanced convection tech. The large Easy View window means you'll never open the door and lose heat. Auto shutoff ensures safety, while the spacious interior fits a whole chicken or 2 trays of cookies. Sure, it needs a little counter space, but that's a small trade for versatility this impressive. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to flavor, every single time. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer. Crispy, golden perfection, without the guilt or the grease. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer delivers restaurant-quality results in a compact 4-quart design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Ideal for busy professionals, health-conscious foodies, or anyone craving convenience without compromise, this powerhouse does more than fry. It broils, roasts, dehydrates, bakes, and reheats with precision. Unlike bulky competitors, its sleek stainless steel build saves counter space while offering intuitive custom programs and 100+ in-app recipes for effortless meal inspiration. From crispy wings to tender salmon, every bite feels indulgent yet wholesome. The rapid air circulation ensures even cooking, locking in flavor and texture. While it's not built for large family batches, its speed and versatility make everyday cooking smarter and simpler. Say goodbye to soggy leftovers and hello to consistent, delicious results, every single time. Number 3. CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Digital Air Fryer Black. This compact powerhouse delivers crispy, golden results without hogging counter space, perfect for singles, couples, or small kitchens craving big flavor. The CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer isn't just tiny, it's brilliantly efficient. With its digital timer and smart shake reminder, you get perfectly cooked meals in minutes. No guesswork, no guesswork. Unlike bulkier models, this sleek black unit slips effortlessly into tight spots, yet its non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup a breeze. Whether you're air-frying chicken tenders, reheating fries, or roasting veggies, it locks in crispiness while cutting down oil and calories. It's ideal for busy professionals, dorm dwellers, or anyone simplifying dinner routines. Sure, it won't feed a family of 5, but for 1 or 2, it's a game-changer. Compact design meets premium performance, turning quick meals into delicious experiences. Say hello to faster, healthier cooking that fits your life and your kitchen. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Crispy, golden fries in minutes, without a drop of oil. That's the magic of the Instant Pot 6QT Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Perfect for busy families, health-conscious cooks, or anyone craving restaurant-quality crunch at home. This 6-in-1 powerhouse doesn't just air fry, it broils, dehydrates, roasts, reheats, and bakes, all with the trusted reliability of the Instant Pot name. The stainless steel design looks sleek on your counter, while the dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless. Unlike bulky single-function fryers, the Vortex Plus delivers consistent, even cooking with rapid hot air technology, so your chicken stays juicy inside, crispy outside. Whether you're meal prepping or whipping up last-minute snacks, it's fast, versatile, and built to last. Just note, the 6-quart capacity is ideal for small to medium households. Larger families might need multiple batches. But for flavor, convenience, and that satisfying crunch, this air fryer delivers every time. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer, 4-in-1 Crisp, Roast, Reheat and Dehydrate. Crispy golden fries with zero guilt. Meet the Ninja Air Fryer AF101. This sleek 4-quart powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results using up to 75% less oil than traditional frying. Perfect for busy parents, health-conscious foodies, or anyone craving crunch without compromise. Its 4-in-1 versatility, crisp, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, transforms everything from frozen wings to apple chips, all with one-touch precision. The wide 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit range ensures perfect texture, whether you're reviving leftovers or drying herbs. Dishwasher-safe parts mean cleanup's a breeze, and the included 20 recipe guide sparks inspiration right out of the box. At 1550 watts, it heats fast and cooks evenly, no preheating needed. While it's compact enough for countertops, the 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗲𝗄𝗏 capacity handles family-sized meals. Just note, larger batches may require cooking. Say hello to flavorful, healthier meals that don't sacrifice taste or your time. Thanks for watching Best Hot Air Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.